Nexo certainly is a coin that by and large is as of now exchanged at $0.609878 per unit, with the market capitalization of $341,530,878 that makes it a low-position digital currency. Computerized resources like Nexo explicitly have currently generally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for actually retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for enormous institutional financial backers who see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a most certainly successful explicitly support against expansion that takes in every practical sense. Weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a genuinely large manner. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its genuinely current standings, as well as the mid-term and really long-haul cost expectation that sort of depends on the readings of our kind of exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, the cost of Nexo remains at $0.609878, and this specific computerized resource generally stands firm on the 73rd foothold in the worldwide digital money, genuinely positioning in an unpretentious manner. For sort of your data, the especially positioning of each and every digital money fundamentally is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and basically is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Likewise, to get a sort of better truly handle of the market circumstance and in a real sense, grasp the truly broad bearing of the pattern, or to especially enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise vital to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on October 26, the cost of Nexo really remained at $0.623901 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 2.17% distinction when contrasted with the exceptionally current cost 7 days prior, on October 20. The Nexo market generally remained at $0.536707 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost basically moved by 0% corresponding to its especially present standing. A month prior, on September 27, Nexo sort of was valued at $0.549747, which generally matched with our cost expectation for that fundamentally specific period in a genuinely enormous manner. Contrasted with the by and large present place of Nexo, it addresses a 10.94% cost move incredibly. These figures ought to by and large yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, though our inside and out cost gauge generally depends on the appearances of CVIX. Yet, to in a real sense figure out the in general essentially capability of Nexo, or any truly other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's vital to consider the cost variances as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource in a significant manner. At the point when it generally comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves considerably more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its especially by and large fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, or so they essentially thought. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a truly key pointer to basically be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. It sort of is determined by duplicating the absolute number of coins that truly are as of now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the extremely current cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by and by remains at $0.609878, which really is very critical. Considering that equation, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Nexo to especially be at $341,530,878. Which legitimizes its place as the 73rd coin among this kind of present on the digital money market, which in every practical sense is very critical. Yesterday, on October 26, the market capitalization of Nexo generally remained at $349,384,808. Keep going week, on October 20, the in every practical sense, aggregate sum of sort of capital dedicated to Nexo in every way that really matters was laid out at $300,555,960 The information from a month prior, enrolled on September 27, in every practical sense, shows that Nexo in a real sense had a market capitalization of $307,858,147 versus the explicitly thought. As its name recommends, in every practical sense, greatest stock alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point be mined or stamped inside the truly relating blockchain network in an unobtrusive manner. When that sum is acquired, the framework really stops the age of new coins for certainly great. The genuinely greatest stock explicitly is normally commonly shown in the source code of the fundamental convention, as well as the white paper, or so they basically thought. The commencement towards the kind of greatest stock as a rule generally begins with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain. In our example, Nexo truly has a really most extreme stock of 100,000,000,000 coins, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This genuinely specific component of a kind of specific coin can really be considered as a fence against expansion, on the grounds that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stock roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the genuinely greatest stock most certainly is reached and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a significantly more unsurprising and genuinely consistent cost appreciation in an unpretentious manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that truly have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and basically are either flowing available or secured in designers' or alternately holders' really chilly wallets in a kind of significant manner. The in every practical sense, complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, or so they thought. It can really measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that truly is public on the securities exchange in an unpretentious manner. The really absolute inventory of Nexo as of now in a real sense remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply really is the most regularly involved certainly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to in an especially significant manner. It relates with the in a real sense the best estimation of the by and large and general number of coins that most certainly are public on digital currency trades and add to their liquidity, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Their volume does exclude the coins that certainly are vested, marked in kind of shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use in a quite huge manner. The circling supply in every practical sense is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, or so they especially thought. At this moment, the circling supply of Nexo certainly is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo, which really is genuinely critical. Also, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one with by and large deciding better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the principles of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently basically happen at the cost levels that generally are joined by generally high volume, since those for the most part are the volumes where enormous cash for the most part had truly become possibly the most important factor, which especially is very critical.